Hello everyone. Today's video is very late uploaded. Ito po yung Christmas party namin dito sa aming subdivision. Ayan. Exchanging gifts kami mga adults and sa kids meron din. Ayan yung decoration namin, pa-balloons kasi yung mga balloons na yan is may laman yan. May mga laman yan kasi kasali yan sa games namin. So, ayan, may tent kami kasi protected para sa rain. Yan, si Bonbon, super cute. At saka, feel niya yung Christmas headband niya. So, gabi pala yung Christmas party namin. At 6, ayan, yung lechon, hiniwa-hiniwa. Buo pa rin siya. Ayan, in-arrange na mga kasama namin kasi para makakain lahat. Yan, kinamay yan pero malinis yan. Malinis ang mga kamay. Kahit hindi malinis, basta lechon, super yummy. And thank you sa sponsor namin na si Ma'am Kababat na nagbibigay ng 5K, si Ma'am Joy 2K.
Hooray! 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 Hep hep! Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Hooray! Kompetitibo ng mga ginagawa. Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray!
At ito yung nabunot ko sa aming Christmas exchanging gifts. So, worth na 300 pesos. Super nice na pillow. Yan, I love it. And thank you sa aking manita. Super nice at super lambot. Yan. Sa halagang 300 more than I think kasi ang wrapper pa. So, very worth it. And that's all for today's late video uploaded Christmas party namin sa aming community. So, yan. Si Miming. Super cute. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching everyone. And I hope you like this video. And sa hindi pa naka-follow sa akin, just click the notification bell and subscribe also. Yan. Bye. That's all for today. Happy day.